Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Today we're going to be doing the brakes on my wife's '07 Liberty back there. A little hard to see with the lighting, but we're going to be doing the front brakes, putting those drilled and slotted discs on, and new pads. So let's go ahead and get tearing into it, and remember guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's get going. Alright guys, so I'm going to be working on my wife's Liberty, doing some brakes on it. I went ahead and went with drilled and slotted rotors and new pads. So let's take a look at what we got here and the brand that I got. I ordered these off of Amazon. They're a little under, actually excuse me, a little over $200 with shipping and everything. Alright, so these are the pads that I got. It's from Power Sports pads and rotors. If you notice, these look like the front rotors. I'll have to open up the other pack. I think one's a little bit deeper than the other, so you can tell which one's front and which one's rear. But if you notice, there's slots in them and holes drilled in them. The holes are to help cool it down. The slots are help to get debris out and cool it down as well. So if you notice that they're sniped two different directions, so one's going to be for the left side and one's going to be for the right side. Reason for that is actually I got them reversed. You want them to slide, I believe, slide towards the rear, and that helps sling stuff out of these grooves rather than get trapped in here. The reason for that is because centrifugal force, and so that's what we're going to be doing. I got all four. I'm just showing you two right here, but I have the other two in boxes right now. So we'll go ahead and turn into the car and get going on this. Alright, so there's two bolts behind there, and they're 13/16, one on top and one on the bottom. Once you get those off, you can just pull this out. This will pretty much fall off. You put the new one on, and then the brake pads, there's some clips in there you got to pull out before you can replace the brake pads. So let's go ahead and get this guy off. Alright, so with these, there's a little clip here that holds them in. All you gotta do is push those clips forward and they'll fall out. So before you want to put the new pads on, you want to push this guy back in so you can put the thicker pads in. So let's go ahead and get a clamp on that and push it down. Alright, so let's go do the other side, and then I'll put the wheels back on. Now this looks a little sloppy right now, and that's only because these bolts are what holds this tight. So once you get the tire back on, this will be tight, and it'll run nicely between there. So one thing I forgot to mention, this little tab right here is your wear tab. And you can see that it gives you about 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little bit less. Once it starts rubbing your rotor, that's when it's time to replace. They do that so you don't have these bolts on the new ones, obviously. You don't have the little bolts that hold the pad on, dig grooves into your rotors. So they do this, okay? So there it is right there. Alright guys, thank you for joining me on the 07 Liberty brakes. I just did the fronts, didn't do the rears because the brakes came in incorrect for the rears, so we're getting those swapped out, and I'll get those installed on another video. But the fronts are done, the shake's gone, so thanks for joining me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. As always guys, it's built, not bought. Join me on the next one.